Hello third graders, welcome to our writing workshop. In this lesson, we're going to explore some formatting skills that we can use in our Google Doc to make our writing more organized. So let's move on to the next slide. Here, I'm going to ask you to pull out your Google Docs, and if you're using iPad, then you may open it up after this video. But if you have a computer with you, then I highly recommend you to open your Google Doc. And then you just need to click on your name because I have attached a link to your name. And if you're in 3S, this is the slide for you. If you're in 3K, then you can click here and find your name. I have included my name on the list as well in case you want to have a look at mine as an example. So I'm going to click my name and I'm going to open up my Google Doc. So this is what I have. So yesterday I have spent some time typing my story, and here I'm going to ask you to include 4 things. So just like how we put our names on our work when we're working on a worksheet or some kind of journal or some kind of drawing in class, we're going to do the same for our Google Doc. So some of you might wonder, oh, but Ms. King, I already have my name on here. Do I still need to put my name once again? And my answer is yes. So the reason why I'm telling you to write your name here is because on this Google Doc, we might have more than one work. And it's easier for us to have this habit of writing down our name, date, class name, and the title so that we can easily understand which work this is about. So first I'm going to write, so do you see how if this is the first line, then I'm going to ask you to press enter here so that you can have some space up here, and I'm going to ask you to type your name. So for me, I'm going to write down Ms. King, and I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to ask you to include your division name. So if you're in 3S, you're going to put 3S. If you're in 3K, you're going to put 3K. And after this, I'm going to press one more enter, and this time I'm going to type in the date. So it's going to be September 8th, 2020. And I'm going to press enter one more time, and this time I'm going to press spacebar until I got to the middle point. And I'm going to put bracket, and I'm going to write the title for this narrative. And I'm going to write here and tortoise. But for you, because it's going to be your narrative, you need to think about your own title. And please include it inside this bracket. And I'm going to put another enter. So once you got to this point, and also don't forget to put another enter here. So your name, your division, the date, and the title. So this is what you need to include for today. And I highly recommend you to read through your work once again to see if you have anything to add. So it's like rehearsing our story once again, and we know the more we retell, the more details that we can add. Okay, so let me go back to my slide now. So please make sure to include these 4 things: your name, your class, the date, and the title of your story. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to paragraph your Google Doc and your narrative. So please make sure to watch that video, then I'll see you later.